Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to verify a Worldcoin account without orb. First, download and install the World app from the official website or your device's app store. Now, create a new account by providing the necessary information and setting up your profile. Navigate to the verification section within the app to begin the process. Then, choose the alternative verification method offered, such as using an NFC-enabled passport or other supported ID. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to scan your ID and complete the verification process. Wait for confirmation that your verification was successful. This may take a few minutes. Once verified, you can access features that require a verified account within the World app. If you encounter any issues, contact Worldcoin support through the app's assistance section. Keep your app updated to ensure you have access to the latest features and verification methods. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.